Welcome! To access the right features, start by selecting your role as either a trader or a customs agent. While this tutorial uses the trader role, from the dashboard, go to Regularity Compliances.
You'll see 12 different agencies listed here. Today, we'll be reviewing records for the Ministry of Narcotics Control, specifically for import and export permits. Tap on Import Permit to open the listing page. You can easily switch between 4 categories: In Queue, Provisionally Approved, Amendment Request, and Authorized Import Permits. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific permit. Once the Ministry of Narcotics Control records appear in the list, simply tap on any entry to open the full detail view and review the permit information. If you need to check a different compliance category, just tap back to return to the main menu. Now, let's select Export Permits. This page displays all your export listing records. Use the search tool to filter through your files and locate your Ministry of Narcotics Control records. To see the full documentation, tap on the record. This will open the detail page, giving you a complete overview of that specific export permit.